and Rahul Gandhi now.
Sir, two live visuals of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on your screens right now, flanked by the Congress workers. Live visuals on your screen. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's live visuals coming in. She's entered UP and she's flanked by workers from the Congress party at the moment. She's on her way to Hathras. We'll get a reporter to tell us what's going on exactly and why is it that she is walking at the moment. High security at the UP border is what we had reported earlier, but her cavalcade didn't have any issues passing the D&D. And this is the Yamuna Expressway where she's walking. She's on her way to Hathras. Obviously taken objection to the Section 144 that has been imposed right there in Hathras. She is on her way to express solidarity to the victim's kin. Hathras borders have been sealed. Section 144 has been imposed. There's a clampdown in Hathras at the moment. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Randeep Surjewala, Rahul Gandhi, KC Venugopal, they're all on their way to Hathras at the moment. And the visuals you're seeing are from Yamuna Expressway with the Congress party workers flanking Priyanka Gandhi. What we're picking up is that they're walking to Hathras. They are going to be walking to Hathras at the moment, and you can see that they are en route Hathras and they are walking to Hathras at the moment. That is the breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Priyanka, Rahul, both are on their way to Hathras, but they've left their cars and they are walking to Hathras at the moment. We need to get a reporter on this as it's a 130 kilometers walk from Noida to Hathras. So questions remain on whether the Gandhis are planning to walk close to about 130 kilometers today. Top Congress netas are with the Gandhis. This is a face-off and a political face-off that is expected once they try to enter Hathras, given the fact that there is Section 144 that has been imposed there. If we have Anand Patel with us, let's go straight across to Anand to understand what is going on ground. Visuals coming in live from Yamuna Expressway of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rahul Gandhi, Randeep Singh Surjewala, KC Venugopal as they are on their way to Hathras on the back of the horrific incident that took place in Hathras that has outraged the entire nation.
मैडम यूपी के लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में क्या कर दिया प्रियंका मैम
As we can see that a lot of reporters are trying to get reactions from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on this incident, and these are visuals of the protest march to Hathras. Amidst these prohibitory orders, you will see a political face-off that will take place, because she has also raised the question. Priyanka has raised the question on why there is the prohibitory order in place. But I can see Anand Patel, our reporter, in the frame as well. If we have Anand with us, let's go straight across to Anand.
दूरी बना के रखिए भैया आगे आगे चलो
Anand is going to be joining us in just about a bit, but the visuals show you how Priyanka and Rahul are headed to Hathras. It's a close to about 3-hour drive for them once they enter UP and cross the Delhi border to Hathras. It's close to about 130 to 140 kilometers where they're headed. But the Gandhis walking to Hathras, that is a clarification that we need from Anand Patel, given the fact that it's close to over 100 kilometers walk. Are they planning to walk all these kilometers, or is it that they are breaking their car journey as a sign of protest for optics. But the big story is that the Gandhis are en route Hathras, and there will be a potential, we can't draw up conjectures at the moment, but there will be a potential political face-off once they try to enter. We're also picking up Rahul and Priyanka have been blocked. That is flashing on your screens right now. Let's listen into the slogan wording that is coming in from these visuals that are coming in from the protests. Let's get the volume up a bit to understand what is the kind of slogan wording Congress workers are up to. Rahul Gandhi and Anand Patel are together on ground. Anand is getting us an exclusive interview with Rahul Gandhi. Throwing straight across to you, Anand.
Well, you can see, Shaifi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi both marching towards Hathras after the Congress party motorcade was stopped. The cops stopped them on the Yamuna Expressway. You can see the Congress workers who are marching along. There's a long road ahead. I don't know how long will they walk, but they seem determined at the moment. And the Congress workers are also marching along, shouting slogans in this heat. And you can see them shouting slogans, both Rahul and Priyanka, walking in the cordon of the security people. You can see them, and we can see Priyanka Gandhi there, marching alongside the Congress workers, and they seem pretty determined that they will.
Were they stopped, which is why they've decided to walk to Hathras?
रात को भी उनको बताया गया कि थाने ले जाना, गेस्ट हाउस में ले गए, गेस्ट हाउस में मंत्री से मिलवाया और कोरे कागज पे साइन करवाया। घबराए हुए हैं, उनको बाहर नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं, उनको नजरबंद रखा है। तो हम उनके लिए न्याय चाहते हैं, और अगर हमको हाथरस तक पैदल चलना पड़े, हम हाथरस तक पैदल चलेंगे, चाहे 2 दिन लग जाए, 3 दिन लग जाए, लेकिन हम उनके पास पहुंचेंगे और हम उनके लिए न्याय मांगेंगे। जी, क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री जी की जिम्मेदारी है। हर रोज 11 रेप के केस हर रोज हम यही लड़ाई उन्नाव की बेटी के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, आज हम हाथरस की बेटी के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। चल के जाएंगे ऐसे
जिस तरीके से केस हुआ है, क्या कहेंगे उसके बाद? क्या आप कितने देर तक मार्च करने वाली है मैम?
महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी सरकार को लेनी पड़ेगी, सरकार को लेनी पड़ेगी, योगी जी को लेनी पड़ेगी। महिलाओं के साथ अत्याचार करवानी चाहिए, उनके जो अपराधी हैं उनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए
मैम।
क्योंकि ये स्थिति पिछले साल में आपको याद होगा, पिछले साल तकरीबन हम उन्नाव की बेटी की लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे जी, और आज ये स्थिति है कि आज हर 11 रेप के केस। Priyanka ji, all of you joined by Priyanka Gandhi, who is taking a march. Priyanka ji, you asked for the resignation of the Chief Minister. Yes, I have. And this is the kind of response you've got. You've been dragged by going to the ground zero. Yes. How do you say this? Look, the Chief Minister is responsible for the safety of women in the state. There is no way that he can get away with the fact that every single day 11 rape cases of a heinous kind, of this kind, where their bones are broken, they are strangulated, all sorts of things are going on. And nothing is being done. As you must remember that last year we were fighting this fight for the Unnao rape victim.
Right.
And after that another one happened in Unnao itself.
Yes.
Thereafter, every single day such cases are happening.
Yes.
And the government, instead of taking action, instead of being sensitive towards the family of these poor girls,
Yes.
is actually putting them through more pain.
Yes.
They're being kept locked up in their house. Can you imagine the plight of a father who cannot bring his daughter home for the last time?
Yes.
A father who is not allowed to cremate his daughter. आप हिंदू धर्म के रखवाले हैं, हिंदू धर्म के रखवाले हैं, और आपने ये स्थिति बना दी कि एक पिता अपनी बेटी की चिता नहीं जला पाए। ये कौन सा धर्म है?
योगी कह रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री ने उनसे कहा, उसके बाद
ऐसे इतना बुलवाओगे तो मैं 100 किलोमीटर कैसे चलूंगी?
चलिए चलिए, साइड हो जाइए, साइड हो जाइए।
आशीष भाई हाँ
Okay, Anand Patel has got us that exclusive interview with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on ground. Anand is right there walking alongside Priyanka Gandhi. Anand, why this decision of walking about 100 kilometers? We'll try to get Anand in just about a bit, but that was an exclusive interview with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. India Today's exclusively has got you Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's interview as she walks over 100 kilometers to Hathras, seeking justice for the victim of Hathras. Let's listen into that exclusive interview once again with my colleague Anand Patel.
The Chief Minister is responsible for the safety of women in the state. There is no way that he can get away with the fact that every single day 11 rape cases of a heinous kind, of this kind, where their bones are broken, they are strangulated, all sorts of things are going on. And nothing is being done. As you must remember that last year we were fighting this fight for the Unnao rape victim.
Right.
And after that another one happened in Unnao itself.
Yes.
Thereafter, every single day such cases are happening.
Yes.
And the government, instead of taking action, instead of being sensitive towards the family of these poor girls,
Yes.
is actually putting them through more pain.
Yes.
They're being kept locked up in their house. Can you imagine the plight of a father who cannot bring his daughter home for the last time?
Yes.
A father who is not allowed to cremate his daughter. आप हिंदू धर्म के रखवाले हैं, हिंदू धर्म के रखवाले हैं, और आपने ये स्थिति बना दी कि एक पिता अपनी बेटी की चिता नहीं जला पाए। ये कौन सा धर्म है?
योगी कह रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री ने उनसे कहा, उसके बाद
ऐसे इतना बुलवाओगे तो मैं 100 किलोमीटर कैसे चलूंगी?
चलिए चलिए, साइड हो जाइए, साइड हो जाइए।
Anand Patel is joining us live, who got us that exclusive interview with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Anand, first question, why is it that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has decided to walk over 100 kilometers to go to Hathras when she has vehicles as well? Was she stopped? Were the vehicles stopped? Is that the reason? What are you picking up?
SIT लगी है ऐसे हादसों में, उनकी थोड़ी सी जांच कर लीजिए कि वो कहाँ तक पहुँची।
जिस तरीके से
क्या कार्रवाई क्या की है उन्हें SIT से?
जिस तरह से आपके काफिले को रोका गया,
नमस्ते दौला जी, आप
सिचुएशन है खराब भी चल रहा है, जबकि योगी आदित्यनाथ कह रहे थे कि उनकी सरकार पुलिस की सरकार है, तो उससे आप क्या कहेंगे?
यार वो पकड़ के खींच रहा है भाई, मेरे आगे चलो ना।
कभी किसी जाति पे होते हैं, आपने देखा है कि ऐसे कई कांड हुए हैं जिसमें कई लोगों को टारगेट किया गया है। उसके अलावा इस तरह के कांड हो रहे हैं,
रोका गया भैया, थोड़ा दूर हो, गाड़ियों को
सरकार की कोई कार्रवाई नहीं।
प्रियंका राहुल नहीं रुके, उन्होंने वॉक करना शुरू कर दिया और लगातार ये वॉक कर रहे हैं। इनका साफ साफ कहना है कि ये और यहाँ पर दूरी बनाए रहो, यहाँ पर
Anand is joining us live. Anand, if you can hear me, what is the decision and what is the reason behind this decision of walking over 100 kilometers by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra? Is the reason that their cars were stopped and that she decided to walk? What's going on?
यही लड़ाई उन्नाव की बेटी के लिए
Anand, can you hear me?
Congress workers, vehicles were not allowed. They will also be walking alongside the workers. You can see Priyanka Gandhi here walking all the way on the expressway. And now, and then you can see all the workers now lined up on the expressway. And Priyanka is saying that she will also walk however long it takes for her to take this journey. And both Rahul and Priyanka are determined to walk along this entire expressway to reach the village of the victim and speak to the family.
स्थिति पिछले साल में बदली नहीं। आपको याद होगा पिछले साल तकरीबन इसी समय हम उन्नाव की बेटी की लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे जी।
Priyanka ji,
और आज ये स्थिति है कि आज हर रोज उत्तर प्रदेश में 11 रेप के केस हो सकते हैं।
Okay, that's the live visual that we are getting at the moment, and my colleague Anand Patel in exclusive conversation with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Listen in once again.
हिंदू धर्म के रखवाले हैं और आपने ये स्थिति बना दी कि एक पिता अपनी बेटी की चिता नहीं जला पाए। ये कौन सा धर्म है?
जो भी कह रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री ने उनसे कहा
ऐसे इतना बुलवाओगे तो मैं 100 किलोमीटर कैसे चलूंगी?
Let's take a quick commercial break on these live visuals that are coming in. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra along with Rahul Gandhi, several other Congress leaders and Congress workers walking to Hathras. Remember, the road from Noida to Hathras is more than 100 kilometers. Questions on whether she's going to be walking all these 100 kilometers. This remains to be our top focus. We will get Anand Patel, who is right there on ground, getting us the very latest.